Hey, you. Welcome to Jumpstart with Jesus. Today is day 8, and we're going to be focusing today on the power of prayer. And prayer is essential to living a good, fulfilling life. Being in communion with our Father, with God, our Creator, is very important. And there is in Matthew chapter 6, verses 9 through 13, there is a blueprint prayer that you can start your foundation on. And it's called the Our Father prayer. And I'm going to say the prayer. I want you to look it up and study it and learn it. And you can do it because my, I think she was 6. I think she was 6 years old at the time. Uh, she learned the Our Father within hours. Her when my granddaughter would come over, we would get on our knees and pray, and she would see me read my Bible every morning because I try to be a good role model for her, and she was very curious about the Our Father prayer, and she literally learned it in one day. By the end of that night, and maybe I'll include it at the end of this video, it was precious, precious, absolutely precious. But if she can learn it, you can.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
So the prayer starts out with, Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. That prayer right there, in a nutshell, encompasses pretty much everything that you need to get your jump start on having a powerful prayer life. You're addressing your Father, your Creator, in a respectful way. You're you're going to Him. You're speaking to Him. You're acknowledging Him. You're showing reverence and respect by hallowed be Thy name. Okay, Thy kingdom come, Thy will be done. You're expressing the fact that you know about His kingdom and that you are in His will. You are willing to do His will. You want to live for Him so you can be fruitful on earth as it is in heaven. And give us this day our daily bread. That is for us to not worry, because He will give us what we need each day. And forgive us our trespasses, which, in order for us to be forgiven, we also too in turn should forgive others. Harboring unforgiveness in our hearts just ruins our body, mind, and soul. So if you really think about it and you commit to learning that prayer, it will jumpstart your prayer life, because your prayers don't have to be perfect, and really all you have to do is just talk to Him. But that is a great blueprint for prayers to start with. All right. So that's it for today, guys. Be sure you come back tomorrow for day 9 in my 30-day series, Jump Start with Jesus. Love you. Bye.